Now the experiment is measurement of resistance using Wheatstone bridge. Here we are measuring the unknown resistance, so that is called as Rx. So by using this Wheatstone bridge, here we have 4 resistors R1, R2, R3, R4. R4 is the unknown resistance. So by using this Wheatstone bridge, we are calculating the resistance of unknown electrical resistance Rx value. This is the circuit. The apparatus for this circuit are 2.2K, 2 and 10K, 1 and Rx, unknown resistance. We don't know the value of Rx. This is the circuit. Here the apply voltage is 5 volts. Here this is called as point A and point B. Here we are calculating the voltage across point A and point B. With the help of this VAB, here we can calculate the unknown resistance Rx value. The formula for Rx is VAB is equal to Vs into R3 by R1 plus R3 minus Rx by Rx plus R2. This is the formula for measuring the unknown resistance. So here the known values are VAB, Vs, R1, R2 and R3. And next step is making the circuit. Making the circuits. Here these are the 2 resistors 2.2K and this one is the 1 kilo ohm and this is the 10 kilo ohm. But here we don't know the value of Rx. So I am assuming that this is the Rx value. This is the Rx value. So finally I need to find that Rx value. And now I am making the circuits. You can insert anywhere this R1 value, next R2 value, next one R3 value, finally Rx value. This is the circuit of Wheatstone bridge. Here I need to apply 5 volts fixed supply voltage. For this I am switching that 5 volts power supply. See here the pin number 55 plus 5 volts and 54 ground. So taking 2 wires, one wire is connected to 5 volt supply, other one is ground. This 5 volt supply is connected to the one junction, other one is nothing but ground is connected to the opposite to this junction. This is the circuit diagram and we are making the circuit diagram on the breadboard. Next you can take 2 probes, nothing but the probes of DMM. These are connected to this kit, LV kits like this. Here we have DMM and there is a common nothing but ground, and these 2 are used to measure voltage across point A and point B, nothing but through galvanometer. So for that measuring the values in that software, just you can click on digital multimeter. So for measuring the voltage across the galvanometer, okay, now just we can take that probes of DMM, we can insert. So always you can place this cursor in the digital DC multimeter DMM in that voltage, digital voltage. Okay, first one digital voltage, second one analog voltage. You can click on digital voltage. Just you can take a probes, you can take the probes and here you can place the probes across the galvanometer. So we know that 4 junctions. So 2 junctions are connected with supply, other 2 junctions with galvanometer. So here the voltage is 2.48. Voltage across galvanometer is 2.48. See that voltage on virtual DMM 2.48. So just you can take that, you can note down that 2.4 volts. VAB nothing but 2.48. We know that values here 2.48. Come to this theoretical calculations. V 5 volts is the supply, VAB nothing but 2.49, nothing but approximate 2.5 volts. So we know the values of VAB, VS, R3, R1, R3 again. We don't know the value of Rx, we know the R2 value. By applying formula, then we can get the value of Rx. So approximately we are getting the value 1 kilo ohms. So by seeing the value of R4, nothing but Rx in the circuit, it is also 1K. So this is the procedure for finding that Rx value by using Wheatstone bridge. Thank you.